So let's take another example.
Okay.
We did solve what is a solid.
Mm.
Similarly, let's do what are parallel lines.
Okay. So let me write down. The question is, what are parallel lines?
Yeah. So notice, in order to answer this question, we need to know what lines are.
That is true. So
Right.
this is a line, that's a line.
Yeah.
Sometimes people say this is a curve, not a line.
Yeah.
But we are going to say this is a line, this is also a line,
Sometimes people say this is a line segment.
this is a straight line,
Yeah.
and this is a curved line. Yeah,
And in fact, this is a finite straight line.
finite straight line and finite curved line.
Curved line.
Yeah. Then you have infinite line. So lines, if you extend this on both sides,
Yeah.
it can go on forever. That is also a line. The distinction is finite versus infinite.
Okay.
So we have agreed on what it means to say line. We haven't defined it,
Yeah.
but we know what it means.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now the question would be,
What are
when
parallel?
are two lines parallel?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So suppose you say this is a line, and here is another line B, and the third line C,
Yeah.
and this is perpendicular. C is perpendicular to both A and B.
Yeah.
This is a right angle, this is a right angle.
Yeah.
You will agree that A and B are parallel. Lines A and B are parallel,
Okay.
right? So suppose you write the definition this way. Definition. Lines A and B are parallel if, this means if and only if.
Yeah.
If there exists a line C perpendicular to both. Would you agree on the basis of that example that this definition?
Yeah. On the basis of this example.
Right. So if we take an example,
Yeah.
then we construct a definition,
Yeah.
and now let's take more examples.
Yeah.
That is how conceptual inquiry works.
Yeah. So by that, so this is a line, right? It's a circle.
That's the line, yeah,
Yeah.
because we have said this is a line.
Yeah. This
So-
is a line,
Okay, that's also a line.
right?
Yeah.
So if I connect this to this is perpendicular here,
That's right.
right? And this is perpendicular here.
Okay. So you're saying this is line A,
And this is line B and this is line C.
according to the definition,
Yeah.
those are parallel lines.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we don't want to say that.
Yeah.
So the same problem that we saw in the case of solid and liquid.
Yeah. But one more thing. So say this and this are A and B and this is C.
Ah. Okay.
C is perpendicular to both A and B.
That's right.
And C is a line.
We don't want to say that.
We don't want to say that.
That's right.
So we can fix this relatively easily, right? We can
Yeah.
say C, there exists a straight line.
If you say it's a straight line, this is not a straight line, this is not a straight line.
This is a straight line. For straight,
but
there exists
A
straight
is
line.
not a straight line.
But that's not.
Oh, I see. You just added straight line here.
Yeah.
Okay, will that work?
Yeah. So here, now this still remains a straight line.
Okay, so according to the new definition,
Yeah.
that should work.
But this is not here.
Okay.
Now this is not parallel,
Okay.
this is parallel, this is
That
parallel.
one is also parallel, but you want to accept this, but reject that. So it looks like if you define them as straight lines, if the concept of parallel lines applies only to straight lines, then it's much easier to define
Yeah.
the concept of parallel lines.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that we don't have to complete this pursuit. Of course, this is probably endless.
Yeah.
So this will give the viewers some idea of how you engage in conceptual inquiry.
Yeah.